25-year-old Malik. On August 28, 2022, in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, an officer noticed a vehicle driving at a high rate of speed. The vehicle crashed shortly after, and the driver ran on foot. An officer started following Malik's vehicle.
With another vehicle. I'm in the 1131 block. Lexington and Tyler. He's on foot. Black male. Where is he? Where is he? AHA 9712, and I have not located the guy.
Okay, is anybody hurt?
No. Thank God there's 3 little kids. We're going to go get the kids. Okay. This is the mom.
Okay. Yeah. Nobody's hurt?
No, we're inside.
Okay. Was this a parked car?
Yeah.
Okay, do we know where the guy went? That's what I'm trying to find.
He went there. He had a red shirt on.
Okay. Last seen west on Lexington between Tyler and Grant. Black male, red shirt. He did behind where?
Yeah, went that way. His house is this way.
Okay. Were there kids outside when this happened?
I don't think they were.
Okay. Is everybody accounted for?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who lives here?
He does.
Okay. Whose vehicle is this one?
That's his.
Okay. So, if anybody's out and about in the neighborhood, we're still looking for the driver.
That way.
Yeah, I saw him run, but I mean, from a distance, I was in there, so.
What concerns me is we've got people with like open garages and how, you know, people are home and so.
I saw him come through there.
Driving really fast down on State, and I lit him up and he just took off at 100, so I discontinued and.
100?
He had been going at least 100 down the street.
Yeah, I saw
That'd be my guess. I stopped way back there because.
What's his end game, man? There's houses there. You can make that turn.
I don't know. Sam 124 headquarters, copy 2 names from Wisconsin Quest cards inside the vehicle. Sorry, 1 second. First will be a Malik A, and the second will be a Sarah J.
Stop! Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Malik, you're under arrest. Fleeing an officer. And warrants. That's what you fled from officers like last week for, isn't it? The warrants?
What? I haven't even been in town.
Just keep playing stupid, whatever.
I haven't been in town, bro. I just got out of jail a couple days ago.
Okay. Well, maybe you got picked up on the warrants. Yeah. He doesn't know anything about it.
I wasn't here. I just got to town like 2 days ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, what happened?
What's that?
What happened?
I'm going to take you back to the car you fled from.
I didn't flee from...
Hey, Phyllis, you get an idea? We pulled up and he goes, damn, what happened here?
He left his stuff in the car. There's a phone, his Quest cards.
He's on the other side, but...
Yeah. You're lucky you didn't get yourself killed.
What are you talking about?
Lucky you didn't kill any little kids either. So.
Is that showing red and blue?
I'm coming south on State Street by the roundabout by the churches.
Okay.
All right? And as I'm coming to the intersection, I see this car just flying down, Hamilton? Yep. Flying down Hamilton going west. And he comes to the roundabout and he's almost on 2 wheels at the roundabout. And he just keeps going. He sees me and just goes. So then I go through the roundabout, light him up. He makes the turn on Tyler here. And at that point I had the red and blue lights on. He just guns it. I called out the 1080 and then I immediately said I'm going to discontinue because he was clearly going about 100 miles an hour. And then right as I was slowing to a descent, I saw him kind of brake around this curve and then I saw the vehicles move in the air. So these kids have been out not too long before that.
Turn and face the car. Do you have anything on you I should be concerned about? Anything that would poke me or stick me?
So I heard you guys were wondering if it's stolen.
I'm not going to talk to you about that right now, being that you're in custody. But if you'd like to talk to us,
Well, you know.
go ahead. If you'd like to talk to us, we can certainly get your rights read to you before we. Turn for me. Okay. We're gonna go up to this car.
Switching cars?
Yep. What's that?
Why are you doing that?
Because I'm supposed to go home in 20 minutes.
Oh,
My partner's gonna drive you down to the jail.
Hey,
What's that?
so, my property will come in?
It's probably gonna go into evidence. Yep.
My phone and backpack?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because you're denying having fled from us, and we found in the car, so we're going to take it as evidence, and whatever we don't need will get returned to you. Yeah.
You guys going with first degree?
No, second.
Okay. I was
They're
like,
both still felonies. They're both bad,
yeah.
but I don't think you're, showing utter disregard. But the DA's office might say different to drive 100, however fast you were driving down a.
I mean, I never said I was driving either, so. Just keep going to jail. I just got charges dismissed. I just got charges dismissed a couple of days ago for a stolen vehicle.
Malik was charged with second-degree, reckless endangerment, felony fleeing, bail jumping, and several other citations. Anthony Kramer. On October 26, 2023, in Akron, Ohio, officers noticed Kramer leave a known narcotics house. The officers conducted a traffic stop due to a bent-up license plate. The officers soon discovered contraband and were informed that Kramer had a warrant. Later on, officers found bags of green leafy substances weighing in around 36 pounds, which Kramer claimed to be CBD or cannabidiol. He claimed he used them for making brownies. The officers stopped Kramer and began their preliminary questioning.
What's up? How are you guys doing?
I'm going back to work.
Going back to
We
work?
just got the burritos. From the burritos, man. Like, Shine-Time Entertainment, I was working demolition.
Anything in your pockets?
No.
Put this up your head. I got it. Ready? What do you think you got warrants for, man?
I have no clue. I'm going to court in Summit County and...
For what? Do you know? You missed a court date or something?
No, I didn't. I missed a court date, but it was all settled. It was all handled.
Okay.
Like,
I'm gonna take your wallet from you so you don't drop it. This young man right here is gonna search you. That's a burrito.
some of it.
Anything illegal on you, man?
Any weapons, drugs?
I have my knife.
Me or cut me? Any drugs on you, man?
No, man, I don't.
Where's that knife at? Anything illegal on the drug?
No. A crystal. That's a rock. It's a rock, man. Yeah.
I've got this. What is it? It's a dope.
Yeah, it's dope.
Where's it made? Nice.
Yeah, nice. Please, not safe in the jail. I'm literally at work. What is this about? Y'all are acting like I'm a I did something
Well, you
wrong,
have
dude.
warrants, so we gotta double check
I
out
understand
those
that,
warrants,
but what-
and you just got found with drugs.
I understand I was on drugs. I mean,
What? That was just like a.
I was eating.
Go ahead. Yeah, he'll pack it out.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, keep your hands on where I can see you.
I'm not. Hey, I'm
Hands
already.
on top of your head. You know, like your fingers. Turn around.
I got a pack of cigarettes, money in my pockets.
No drugs in that one, illegal? Nothing's gonna poke me, cut me.
No. My knife's running shut.
Nice, yeah. Good. 1032 Rocket Brook Drive, Permanent A.
Just sit over here.
Alright.
12 instruction. Got me on. 1357.
I got it. Go for a ride? You're good.
I can walk right up the street to my. If that's all right. If it's not, I can walk. I ain't afraid of walking.
Yeah, no, if you want to go there, I don't care.
Can I grab my belongings?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm already.
Yep.
Penny One, what was that exact location again?
Did you call us? Did you call?
No, I told him to call my secretary Jamie so she could get my truck. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on, man. Like, that's CBD. That is not marijuana. You can't smoke. It's for making fun. Like, I get migraine headaches and stuff, man. You know what I mean? Like, that's too much fucking. If that was real weed, I wouldn't have only fucking $100 in my pocket, man. $150. You know what I mean? I just got paid $200 and I think it was like $26 or some shit from the scrapyard. That receipt shows that.
You too. Sorry your truck's messed up in there. Thank you.
Is that his driver's license?
Huh?
Is that his driver's license?
Oh yeah, hey.
If you enjoyed this true crime video, subscribe to see more.